friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share different ways on making bigger profits for your Amazon FBA business doing the online arbitrage method. And you know, this is a video that I wish I had stumbled upon 3 years ago when I first started selling on Amazon FBA, because as a beginner, I went through the struggle of getting low profits, and it was to a point where, you know, I was kind of questioning if this was all worth it. So with my experience after selling over $2 million in total sales, I was able to take my profits to the next level, and I really wish you guys take a lot from these videos that we're gonna go over. So if you're ready, I'm ready, let's get it. So number one tip is you have to take advantage of the rewards program out there that brands and companies offer. You know, the most famous one that everyone knows is, you know, the Starbucks stars, right? Like on my Starbucks app, that's, you know, if you buy X amount of drinks, every time you go in there, you collect all these stars and you can redeem these stars for, you know, eventually a free drink or a bakery item out there. And guess what? You have a happy customer and they keep coming back, so that way they can collect all these stars and the cycle repeats again. So there's a reason why brands and companies do this. So knowing that, there's so many retail websites out there that we can utilize this. Let's take a look at Ulta.com right here and what their rewards program is. Of course, it is going to be free to join to their membership. And you can see right here, earn points on every dollar that you spend. So if you are already purchasing products from Ulta.com, these are just going to be free points or money that you are earning because you're already buying it for inventory and you're getting bonus on top of it. So this is why it's really important to sign up for these rewards program. Another thing you can get is bonus points offers depending on if you're going to use the app or the website, right? Of course, free birthday gift if you want to do that, but this is where the whole thing converts if you are specifically shopping a lot of products. For example, here at Ulta is you can redeem these points, turning them into dollars. So for example, if you have 2,000 points and you redeem the $125 right here, that $125 you can use to lower your buy cost if you're purchasing at Ulta.com already. So instead of maybe having a product that's cost $200, all in all, you used $125. Now it's only costing you $75 for the whole products that you are purchasing. And I actually interviewed Diana. If you didn't know, she is known as the Ulta Points Girl on Instagram because of the amount of Ulta points she has on her account. And it's something that she had found an advantage. She's already selling on Amazon. She loves beauty products. So she kind of leaned into her advantage using these points as rewards for Ulta, because imagine 33,000 points that she has in her current account, what that translate into dollars right there. And again, just to get your imagination going, think of the different websites out there that you are already shopping, see if they have a reward program and how you can use this to your advantage. So second tip here is to use discounted gift cards. I was able to pick up these DSW gift cards here at the actual, you know, DSW store because they had a promo going on, 25% off, and each card I was able to maximize at $500. So there's 4 of them here. So technically there's $2,000 worth of gift cards here, but I only paid $1,500 because 25% of 2,000 is $500. So I got free $500 from just purchasing this gift card at the right time when they had it on sale. And you don't have to go to an actual, you know, retail store to do this. You can actually go online. You can go to race.com. I've personally purchased a bunch of gift cards from them in the past. So just to show you an example here, we are race.com. And for example, if you want to go back to Ulta, right? Go to beauty right here. And you can filter by discount. You can start maybe at the highest discounts available, right? You can just go through here and see if you recognize any websites that you're shopping from. So if you do 10 to 20%, you can see the Ulta gift cards here up to 12%. So that is very lucrative in terms of that. Plus, if you stack it on top of the rewards, I mean, you're at a pretty good situation right there. And we're gonna go over a little bit more on the stacking at the end there. But yeah, there's just another opportunity out there, and don't just let one website stop you. There's tons of them out there if you do your research, and maybe you can shop around to get even, you know, a better discount than what I have here or what's available on the race.com. A tip from my experience is after doing all these gift cards is to make sure you track them. It's so easy to get confused of which gift card, how much amount is left, when is it gonna expire. I use Google Sheets to just keep track of it. It's, again, you can make it super simple, how much the amount is, when it's due, and how much you've used. So it doesn't have to be super complicated, but just a one place that you can keep track of everything. Because when I started, I just had everything on my email and I would just search through there and kind of type stuff on my phone and just, it wasn't organized, but having it all in Google Sheets from experience, trust me, it's gonna help you a lot. Tip number 3 is to ask the question of how can I get this product lower or a better price than what I see right now? And guys, you know, like once you start selling on Amazon, it's so hard to pay on items full price because you just know that, there's so many options available, whether it's the gift cards that we had talked about, the rewards program, the coupons available out there. It's just gonna be ingrained with you eventually to always look for a lower or cheaper price for everything. I mean, it could be at the grocery store, right? Just for personal shopping, you just ingrain that in you. And I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but again, we always want to guarantee that we get the best price. So by asking a simple question, like how can I get this item at a lower or a better price than what I see right now? So let me show you an example here at Walgreens.com, right? So right on their website, you can see extra 15% off, 40 bucks on beauty, personal care using the code PRIDE15, right? So let me ask this question, okay, how can I get a better discount? How can I get a better price out there? So we can always start by asking that question. So let's go into Walgreens here. So type in Walgreens discount code, right? You can see I've already done it in the past here, and you can just go through what the results are, okay? So going through here, they have an extra 20%, right, off $30 with a code FLASH20, or extra 30% if you just spend 50 plus. So that's a way better discount than what they had advertised here. And it's almost kind of hidden because you kind of had to go out of the way to do a Google search, right? Like, of course, it had only taken a couple seconds, but again, that effort or that question kind of prompted is like, is there a better code out there? Is there a better price, better discount? So it's a nice little question that we can program ourselves for pretty much anything, right? Like, how can I get gift cards at a better price? There's sales going on, there's different ways to really do it if you ask that question, and that's where your creativity, your imagination starts to cook up. So the next tip here is super underutilized. And let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever been to a website or even a store where the cashier asks you, it's like, hey, would you like to sign up for our stuff to get emails and text message and all that stuff? Well, most people don't opt in or do it because it comes as spam in our thought. Like, I don't sign up for things, right, just because I think it's spam. But in terms of your Amazon FBA business, this is something that you should see and embrace, but there's different ways to tackle of not to get spam or giving out your personal info. So we're here at YSL Beauty, a very luxurious beauty brand that everyone knows. They have welcome offers available. So you can see right here, new members, 10% for welcome code 10. So a lot of these websites or whatever brands you look at, they're all gonna have welcome offers. The reason for that is they want to entice you or a customer to buy items from them, and that's why they give you here's a 10%, 15%, 20%, and that's kind of like the range of the discounts that you can expect from these welcome offers. And again, a lot of people don't sign up for this because they don't want to get spammed. So what I had learned from experience is if it's something that you need to sign up as a email, you need to create a catch-all email. And basically what the catch-all email is, it allows you to create unlimited amount of email address based on the domain you're purchasing. It's super easy to do it. I use the website called Namecheap. Is that it doesn't allow you to send it to your personal email because they're gonna send you so much promotion and spam and all that stuff. So it's best to create a catch-all email to catch all of them. And for text message, I personally use Google Voice Texting. It's a free app out there that you can just download, create an account from Google, and I use that to have a Google Voice number that whenever they require for me to sign up for a text message to get these discounts welcome offer, I simply put it in, I get the text, but not giving out my personal phone number out there, because we know what these people do. They're always listening out there, especially with this little phone out here, of what's really going on. So it's really important to learn how to navigate and still take advantage of the welcome offers available out there, because every single website, I guarantee you, has a welcome offer that you could definitely take advantage, get that discount to get a lower buy cost. Next one here is to take advantage of the Chrome cashback extensions available. And there are a couple of the main ones out there. And this is a classic one that as an Amazon FBA seller, especially doing online arbitrage, you need to have these Chrome extensions, right? They're free to sign up, so there's no reason why you shouldn't be using them. So you can see this one right here is called Rakuten. Rakuten allows you to get cash back, but on top of that, they also promote, coupons, discounts of whatever website that you shop at. So as you can see right here, there's the different codes that we had saw earlier, right? Like welcome 25 for new customers, new offers we had talked about. Different codes out there, right? So you can stack all these coupons and discounts and what's going on. Then my personal favorite is I like to use Capital One, right? Capital One Shopping Google Chrome extension, just because from experience is that they tend to have more coupons that work, or just, a better coupon in general, again, just from experience. So I like to use Capital One Chrome extension, then use Rakuten or Top Cashback to get cash back, because I'm already making purchases from these websites. Like for example here, as you can see, 2% from Rakuten and 4% from Top Cashback. So obviously I'm gonna go with the higher percent cashback, because that's gonna give me a better return. It's a no-brainer there. Again, Top Cashback does coupons as well, but again, if you want the best one, is to download this one right here. So in a perfect world, what you want to do is wait for a big sale during one of these holidays throughout the year, like Black Fridays, for example. And then this is where you can really take advantage of using a discounted gift card. So for example, for this one, we already have a 25% leg or room per se. Then you can find a coupon on the examples that we had went through, and you can get all these products such a low buy cost. And this is how you can really increase your margins or profits to the next level. Of course, the more you do it, the easier it becomes, the better you are and skilled at it. So definitely takes, of course, a little practice and getting used to, but definitely, rewatch this video. And I remember this was like the aha moment that kind of turned for me. It's like, how can I make these things profitable? So it started to come up together. And again, this is after selling 3 years, and I'm just sharing with you guys like the experience that I had gone through. So hope you guys really enjoyed these tips and found it super useful. And if you want to learn the best products to sell on Amazon FBA, check this video right here that I had made. And guys, don't forget, I do have a free newsletter that you can sign up down below in the description. Also, we have a Discord community group. It's free to join, meet other Amazon sellers, ask me questions out there. But yeah, thank you so much. Catch you in the next one.